Hi guys, today I'm here to show you how to refill a puff bar using the puff bar, some pliers, and a favorite select other brand bottle of juice. First, what you want to do is you take your puff bar, take your pliers here, get a good grip on it, don't yank it, but twist. Shake it left and right, up and down, just like that. Yep. And let your puff bar open, right? Carefully take out the battery. Okay, do you see that? Yeah. All right. Now you see you have your cotton right here. So if you notice on your puff bar, at least on the cylinder here, you're gonna want to pop off these little plastic pieces here. Take off this, and you're gonna want to carefully here take your bottle of juice. You want to take this cotton here, drip it on the sides. Make sure this is nice and soaked. Leave no traces of white blotches you see here. See how it's like white in some spots? So I'm going to just carefully drip over this with the napkin underneath. Let that soak in. Okay. Let this soak in. Let this soak in. Let this soak in. Let this soak in. Alright, and then let this soak in. Okay, now that I've soaked it properly, what I'm gonna do here is take the tube, insert this back onto the tube very gently. Don't want to tear the tube. Insert the plastic cylinder back over this. All right. Take this top tube plastic piece here, and then I'm going to insert it gently back into this middle piece right here. All right. So now that this is all filled, what you want to do is wipe down the sides of it just gently. Okay. So go ahead, insert this back in. Make sure this line here lines up with the nozzle. It's not going to really change anything, but it definitely helps in my opinion. Carefully insert this again with the battery. And then I'm going to push this bottom piece back in. Notice how I pushed it back in. And you have your filled puff bar. Thank you for watching, guys. Please watch my other video about how you can charge the battery. Thank you very much, guys.